In this question, you have to identify the phytohormone, that is the plant hormone, the application of which can prevent fruit and leaf drop at early stages. Option A, ethylene. It is incorrect because ethylene promotes fruit and leaf drop rather than preventing it. Option B, auxins. Now, auxins, particularly the synthetic auxins like the NAA, that is naphthalene acetic acid, and 2,4-D, that is 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, prevent premature fruit and leaf drop by maintaining the strength of the abscission zone and promoting cell elongation and division. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, gibberellic acid. It is incorrect because gibberellic acid promotes stem elongation, seed germination, and flowering, but it is not effective in preventing fruit and leaf drop. Option D, cytokinins. It is also incorrect because it delays senescence by promoting cell division, but they are not very specifically effective in preventing fruit and leaf drop.